What are 3 sounds that
I know you're gonna ask that.
I'm saying that you would make instead of moaning?
Bro.
That's 2. It's 3rd.
I'm unavailable.
Jetta,
Okay.
name 3 things that you would lick.
Toes.
Yeah.
Toes. Say to an ugly baby.
Oh my god, I need a 3rd hand.
Name 3 things you said to avoid offending someone about their stinky.
You smell like mint, you smell like roses, and you smell like rosemary.
I smell like rosemary.
Courtney.
Could.
3 ways to break up with someone without saying it.
I'm lesbian. I don't like you. Oops, I cheated.
3 colors that
Oh.
are in that can't that like that you can't.
Tell us the guidelines, Kaya.
Pink, green. Do another.
Yellow! Wait, what was the question?
Thank you.
You can't say red.
Why can't I say red? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, indigo, violet.
I'm getting my heart out of my heart. It turns to sand on my messages. I don't wanna go.
Your forehead is beautiful. Wait, welcome to Los Angeles Book Club. This week we have Onyx Storm with the sprayed edges. Yeah, we're on page 30, so
She's like a avid reader, and I'm trying to get
and
there.
I'm forcing her. If you know, you know. If you don't know, get in the know. Because this is it. I'm just starting her out.
Right.
You know, this is everyone's first.
This is my first. I'm really scared. I'm feeling quite vulnerable and nervous.
Yeah, you might cry. You might rethink your life. You might have to touch some grass.
Good thing we got turf. This is so LA. Guys. Courtney and I are hiking. We're doing Runyon Canyon, super gorge. We're like fucking running for some reason. We're just going uphill, girl. Elevation, isn't there a song that's like Elevate? Who sings that? Lady Gaga? Okay, yeah.
To levitate with you all my days.
We're on a steep uphill. There she goes. Wow.
Beast in the wild. This is their natural habitat.
How would you rate this view?
Dude, pretty freaking cool. I like the city. We're gonna walk there soon, don't you worry. Don't you wear your little hood out, we're gonna do this soon. Shit cat.
Perfect. So we just went down that.
We really did. Like, honestly, that's what happened. It didn't look that steep.
Girl, yes it did.
So, Courtney talked me into getting everything.
A smoothie and food. We're at Erewhon, by the way, so. Okay. Yeah, I thought I was getting a smoothie. I just picked something off the menu. And I don't know, I got nervous when I was ordering. The cilantro rice. So good. I don't know what the heck this is. $20.
We're so broke. What are we doing here?
It's kind of good though. Broadway. Little piece of Nashville in LA. We're going out. Day one. Day two. Hopefully it's fun. This is my dream. Guys, freaking out here. Who are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
I drew on your chalkboard and stained my pants.
Can I go too?
I'm just trying to get a cookie.
Not going out tonight, too.
Hell yeah. I'd buy that
Do you
one.
vlog everything together? Because I kind of like it.
100%.
Or like my music stuff or something? Or?
Yes. Don't mind me.
I'd like to accept this award. I've been a wife to every boy I've ever spoken to.
I was my dream. Tell me about it. Here we go. We just arrived at the beach. Unfortunately, there was a homeless man that we saw started peeing in the sand. And I don't know how I feel about that. I can't get that image out of my head. The beach is popping. The beach is beaching here. The water is very cold, but it's also very refreshing. Feeling really awesome about this right now. I'm running in the water now. I'm getting stared at right now. I hope you enjoyed this awesome, amazing, epic video. Stay tuned for more LA con. I feel like I needed to make a disclaimer. I am not naked. I'm wearing a swimsuit, but in case I looked naked, I'm not. Anyways, 10 LA vibes and vlogs, then go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. Love you, kisses. Mwah.